Hello and welcome. I've got today to show you this Chausson motorhome 660 Etape line. So it's called 660. That sort of suggests to me that that might well be the size of the vehicle, but I'm wrong. It's a 7-meter vehicle, 235 wide, and this has 4 sitting places and 4 sleeping places and costs €77,000. So let's have a look inside. Well, what do you see first of all? Bed up there and an absolutely enormous lounge. In fact, the lounge seems to take up the entire vehicle. It's a little bit dark in here, but that's because we're inside. I think this is going to be relatively bright thanks to the window above the driving position. Right, but it's clearly divided into 2. So if we come to the rear end, we will find this rather large kitchen and washing area. So we've got here 2 burners, we've got the sink, we've got drawers below, and through here we have a wardrobe and a Kleiderschrank. What's that in English? That's a wardrobe, sorry. One place you keep your clothes. And there we go. This comes out. Stacks of space in there. I think that's really good. That is superb. But that's not the end of it. Because through here we have access to the garage. If you keep stuff in the garage, you might want to keep drinks or something like that in there. Gets it out of the way. And right. Here's your washroom, and this will come out. I'll see if I can do it. Yep. 2 hands. There is the shower. This will go over the toilet, and that gives you an idea what it looks like. Somebody left some Nivea baby milk here, and that was knocked over as I opened the false wall. 2 drainage points, and you've got an anti-slip surface. There's your toilet. It comes with a sensible sliding door. Now the question I'm going to say is this: how many vehicles come with a dressing room, washroom and toilet and the kitchen all together? It's a combination. Well, I couldn't really call this a washroom because you'd need to have a dressing room, because you need to actually close it off if that's really what it was. But certainly, I get the impression here there's lots and lots of space around. Here also, I think this is a continuation of the kitchen. It's a place you could even use for preparation of food also. And below we've got this filing cabinet. Filing cabinets are great because for keeping things in, not just files, because of the shape. Storage above as well, and look at in the roof. Oh, this is very nice. Over here we have the Thetford fridge, tower fridge, and with a freezer above, and up here we have the storage up there as well. Oh, this is nice. That's that. Okay, it's mostly plastic. I don't know if that's even coming out in the video, but it's there. I'm not certain that's necessarily there. But anyway, never mind. What do you think of this bed up here? Right, so the bed will drop down. I bet they've taken the fuses out, but we'll see. Oh, they haven't. Right, we're going to drop the bed down, but first thing we're going to do is we're going to move these glasses out of the way to make sure that we don't damage anything, and we'll take the flowers out of the way as well, so that'll allow. Actually, to be quite honest, I don't think that was necessary, but they're not mine, so I don't want to take any risks. I'll drop the bed down for you. Actually, it'll go down even further than that. And what a good idea it was to take the glass glasses out of the way. The advantage with this is it gives you all that space below, and you've got all this space above as well. Now the thing is, they do have heights which you're supposed to use it at. Do note, of course, that you can make a sleeping space below, so that really would be not enough space for below. I'll show you under the bed as well, because you get these nets, and the nets will connect to these eyelets up here, and that will stop you falling out of bed when you come home sloshed. I'll put the bed up now. There's a ladder somewhere. Was there a ladder under the bed? I can't remember. No, there wasn't. There'll be one. It'll be somewhere. Is that enough room to be below? Possibly. Now, I'm going to come over to the table, and the table has this interesting function. Oh, you can make the table like this. There we go. And we turn the table up. How do you turn the table up? There's a way of turning it around. Oh, sorry, it's here. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'll just leave it now. The table will also move up and down, which would be handy for making a bed out of it. So if you want sort of a low coffee table, putting it out again, then you'd have one there. This gives an idea of how much space it can now be achieved, and of course you'd be making the bed using the cushions from here, the seat coverings. Sideboard to the right with storage in it. Oh, let's put it back up again. Now I think that this would make a very good vehicle to sort of for long-term living, because if you want a lot of space in here, you've got it. And one of the problems I'm always going on about is the amount of space that a bed in the roof actually takes away from the living area. But I'm now going to demonstrate how much there is. There's me standing under the bed. I've got this much space above me. If I come to the back, and now you can see I've got my hand up here. So it's a relatively good amount of space in this vehicle. Let's have a look outside. Oh, let's put the stuff back. There we go. That was there. Flowers go back on there, and we'll leave the glasses. We'll leave the glasses up here because that looks neater. There we go. Aren't I artistic? There we have the storage, the garage, and there's a lot of space in there as well. There's the aforementioned ladder, and we've got this these isothermic blinds. I mean, don't work very well, but they're definitely in the better than nothing category. Let's have a look at some of the plus points, which is actually mentioned. So you've got a security packet which comes as standard. You've got cruise control, 16-inch alu hubs, the colour scheme inside. Well, I expect the colour scheme to be inside as standard anyway. automatic climate control. You've got equipment packet included. You've got a connect packet as standard, and it's got an automatic gear. Okay, 660 Etape line from Chausson. Interesting vehicle. Thanks for watching. All the best from me in Germany.